I'm just about to have dinner. It's about to rain. Again. Shh, the film's about to start. In today's video, how do we say that we're about to do something or that something is about to happen in Italian? For example, I'm about to go out or it's about to rain. To say that something is about to happen in Italian, we need three components. 1. The verb stare. 2. The preposition per. And 3. An infinitive or full verb. The verb stare, followed by the preposition per, tells us who is about to do something or what is about to happen. For example, io sto per. I'm about to. Tu stai per. You're about to. Lui sta per. He's about to. Lei sta per. She's about to. Or sta per. It's about to. The infinitive verb tells us what someone is about to do or what is about to happen. For example, io sto per mangiare. I'm about to eat. In this example, io sto per tells us that I am about to do something, and the verb mangiare tells us what I'm about to do. We can change the infinitive to say that I'm about to do something else. For example, sto per uscire. I'm about to go out. Sto per andare. I'm about to go. To say that someone else is about to do these things, all we need to do is change the verb stare. Io sto per mangiare. I'm about to eat. Tu stai per mangiare? Are you about to eat? Lui sta per mangiare. He's about to eat. Lei sta per mangiare. She's about to eat. And so on. Now, let's take a look at some more examples using the third person to say what is about to happen. Sta per piovere. It's about to rain. Sta per iniziare. It's about to start. Il film sta per iniziare. The film is about to start. Sta per finire. It's about to finish. Il film sta per finire. The film is about to finish. Sta per partire. It's about to depart. Il treno sta per partire. The train is about to depart. What are you about to do? Leave a comment below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to the channel.